Hello, this is Mrs. Brand here. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to start your own Google site. I'm starting this process from my Drive account, but you can also just log into your email and do the same thing. First thing I want to do is go to the 9 boxes that are in the top right corner, and then I want to navigate to the icon for Sites. Then I'm going to click Create, and I'm going to name my site. You have a choice for blank template or for browse gallery for more templates. I would say to choose the blank template, and then I'll show you how to change the settings for that under Manage Site. So keep the red box around blank template, and then click Create. Once your site is created, it might look pretty basic, pretty bare bones. If you go to the gear that's on the top right, and you go down to Manage Site, you'll get several options for changing things like theme and color. So I'm going to click on that. Right here on the top left corner, you'll see a drop-down menu that has several different choices for themes that you can use for your website. Since this is a garden website, I'm going to try the branches theme. And then you can see a preview right here. You can change the colors and change the text, but I'm going to leave it at its default and click Save. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to go back to your garden or to your website. So I'm going to click on LFLA Garden and go back to the gear that's on the top right, and you're going to click on Edit Site Layout. In here we can decide what the navigation for our website is going to be. If I click this, it'll remove my header, but I like that, so I'm going to keep it. If you want to have horizontal navigation where you have the tabs, you can click this option. If you want to have sidebar navigation, you can see my sidebar is set up here, but you would click this button. That'll remove it or add it. I'm going to remove the horizontal navigation and just try the sidebar for now. And then I'm going to click Close. I'm going to go over some sharing permissions. If you click on the blue Share button, you'll get several options. You can invite specific people to help you edit your website just by entering their email address, or you can select from these options for how you want your website to be viewed. The top option means that anyone on the web can find it and see it. The second one is anyone that you share the link with. The third one is anybody here at Live for Life Academy. The fourth one is people at Live for Life Academy that have the link you share with them. And then the last is for specific people. So I'm going to keep it checked at anybody for Live for Life Academy can search and view this garden site. And I'm going to say Save. Then you can click back on your website button. Mine says LFLA Garden to go back to changing your site. If you want to add a page, that's what this button right here is for. And I'm going to call this page Student Involvement. And then I can decide where do I want it. Do I want it at the top level? Do I want it under Home? Or I can even do this drop down and choose a different location. I'm going to let it be at the top level. So then this shows up as a separate option on the sidebar. Anytime you make any edits to your pages, whether it's inserting images or information from your Google Drive, or even just typing text, you must always save. Okay, so there's a little bit about creating your own Google Sites. From here, you should be able to play around with these different features. And if you have any additional questions or need any more support, feel free to email me. Thank you.